Ha! Green egg surprise! Ah! Oh! Open! 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 Wow! Wow! Green duckies! Wow, green rabbit! More! Aha! Oh, orange surprise egg. Oh. Huh? Oh. Aha. Oh. Open. 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 Wow. Wow. Orange sheeps. Wow, orange rabbit. More. Aha. Oh, blue surprise egg. Open. 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 Wow. Wow. Blue chicks. Wow, blue rabbit. Green ducky. Orange sheep. Blue chick. Yay! Oh.
Twinkle, twinkle, red, red star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a ruby in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, red, red star, how I wonder what you are.
Panda bag! Yay, Rocky! Ha! Whoa! Magical water! Ha! Ah! Carrots! Huh? Ah! No ghost! One? Ha! Two? And three! Ha! Ah! Oh! Ah! One and two! Uh-oh! Oh! Ah! More! Bigger! Oh! Tomatoes! Huh? No ghost. One. Ha! Two. Ha! And three. Ha! One and two. Oh. Aha! More! Aha! Bigger! Oh! Apples! Oh! Come on, Rocky! One. Ha! Two. Ah! And three. Ha! One, two, ha! And three. Choo, choo, choo!
I got you.
I'm gonna get you.
School's out. I love vacation.
Ha, you're it. Yeah.
Huh?
Mado.
No! That's the school magazine. Was. Oh no! It had all the cool news of the year.
Oh no.
Aw, Jeeve. Of course, that's it. time. Quickly, panda bag. Notebooks, pencils, photos. We're going to make a new magazine. And what goes in a magazine? Different sections. My favorite is sports. We can talk about how awesome the Cleo Cup was. What an exciting match, ladies and gentlemen.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
And we have to talk about the best sport in the world, whale volley. That's so cool! It's whale volley!
And the day when I went super duper fast.
But this is a race, Colitas. The fastest wins. And turtles are very slow.
Turtles are groovy.
Really? Super duper?
Well, yeah, 'cause I won.
What else goes in a magazine?
No! Not again! No!
Good idea, Tomato! We can make a disastrous adventure section.
But we've left out the most important part, the art section.
Of course. Thanks for thinking of me.
I was talking about my art. It is a work of art to move a tooth like that.
Wow! The magazine is looking awesome! And we haven't even finished yet. Being a journalist rocks!
One and two and... Tomato! Here!
I bet you want to now.
Yay!
We did it! I'm dying to see the meteor shower. It's not a shower with water. It's shooting stars that fly across the sky. Where's Dino? No! What's going on? Buried Dino! What are you watching?
Cuquin art makes really groovy stuff.
This TV is way better than the other one. Wow!
Groovy!
I love it. It's even better than the one from school.
Wait!
No! Whew, just in time. And best of all, now I know what I want to be when I grow up. A journalist. Bring some more, Pelusine. It's looking really cool.
Do you want some banana juice? It's made out of strawberries and bananas.
Mmm, yummy. Thank you.
Hey!
That's gorgeous. We have to find the best place for it. How about here, next to a tomato chasing its tail? No, here. It's so beautiful it needs a whole page to itself.
Huh? Hey! Yes! Huh?
No, they're all ruined. Even this one. Aw, but we don't have another photo of all of us together. Of course, that's it. It's playtime. Quickly, panda bag. New photo album, tripod, camera. Let's take new photos. I think I prefer the photos covered in juice.
It's just that they are all ruined. This one was so groovy. It's from when we broke my flower's home, and we made her a new one.
Shovel! Sunflower! Watering can!
That sunflower was really thirsty.
Look how happy the flowers make you. You just adore them.
New home, and look at all those friends. The superheroes are coming. Look at my beautiful...
Yay! It's ruined! Oh, it's just I looked awful in that picture. So now you can take another one of me looking great. Seriously?
No! It's from when I broke my foot. Well, when I say I broke.
That was close. I'm so sorry.
Okay, we should have tidied up a little. This one's for the new album. Taking photos rocks. Yeah. Sure, we can take lots more. You know, so much goes on in our lives. Why is that? Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, that was close. Memories are unbreakable.
Look at this one.
So cool.
So cool.
This little babe. Look at
What
this
a
one.
face.
So cool. Look at this one. What a face.
Yeah.
What a cool day. And the best thing is, now I know what I want to be when I grow up. A photographer.
Huh?
Aww.
Mommy, Daddy, I have to poo. I ate too much, my tummy hurts. I can't wait any longer, ouch. I have to poop, what should I do? Buckle up, be careful now. You're gonna sail a submarine under the sea. You'll take a bow. Just relax in your latrine. Poo Poo Submarine, let's head free all the pipes. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, release the poo outside. Poo Poo Submarine, let's head free all the pipes. Away, 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 release your poo today. Mommy, Daddy, I have to pee. I drank too much, my tummy hurt. I can't wait any longer, ow! I have to pee, oh, can't you see? Buckle up, be careful now. You're gonna sail a submarine under the sea. You'll take a bow. Just relax in your latrine. Pee submarine, let's set free all the pipes. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, release the pee outside. Pee submarine, let's set free all the pipes. Away, 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 release your pee today. Poo Poo Submarine, let's set free all the pipes. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, release the poo outside. Pee Submarine, let's set free all the pipes. Away, 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 release your pee today.
Unicorn, unicorn, magic unicorn. You're a cutie, unicorn. I'll take care of you. Ooh, someone's popped around, unicorn. Don't worry, little hen. I'll take care of you. Why are you crying, little hen? Oh, I see. The egg has grown a lot. What? Has the baby chick's egg got mixed up with the others? Quick, we must find it. Hey, can you guess who can crack this mystery?
Detective Strawberry.
Strawberry detective, where are you? Helping my friends, that's what I do. Huh? How on earth are we going to find it? What did it look like again? Not too big, not too small. Can you help me find the middle-sized egg?
Yay!
1,
2,
3! Yay! We found 3 eggs! But which one is the right egg? Ooh, I've got it! Let's discover who's inside the eggs!
Yay!
Which egg do we choose? Red, blue, or yellow?
Red egg! Look, it's moving! Open! Open! Open!
A red duck! Have we found your egg?
No!
Huh? Come on, let's keep looking.
Blue egg!
Hey, look! It's moving!
Open! Open! Open!
A blue sheep! Have we found your egg?
No!
Come on, let's keep looking.
Yellow egg!
Hey, look! It's moving!
Open! Open! Open!
A yellow chick! Have we found your egg?
Yay!
Aha! Detective Strawberry never fails to crack a case.
Yay! Detective Strawberry!
Five baby balloons were floating in the sky. One lost its air and began to cry. A little child came and puffed it up. Grow, grow, grow! And the baby balloon flew back up high. Four baby balloons were floating in the sky. One lost its air and began to cry. A little child came and puffed it up. Grow, grow, grow! And the baby balloon flew back up high. Three baby balloons were floating in the sky. One lost its air and began to cry. A little child came and puffed it up. Grow, grow, grow! And the baby balloon flew back up high. Two baby balloons were floating in the sky. One lost its air and began to cry. A little child came and puffed it up. Grow, grow, grow! And the baby balloon flew back up high. One baby balloon was floating in the sky. It lost its air and began to cry. A little child came and puffed it up. Grow, grow, grow! And the baby balloon flew back up high. Together